Myself, Alden Shobha from Mangalore, and I have lot of fear while speaking, and also I have well, lack of confidence oh, 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 while speaking in the phone calls and with the strangers.
Now, I will share my experience. I felt stretching stretching while speaking is very helpful for me while speaking. I had blockage issues even when I get anxiety. I used to get blockages in every word. But when I implemented stretching in every word I speak, I got much improvement. Even when I get blockage issues, I implement stretching, which helps me to speak fluency. And for stretching, we can do one exercise, that is E and O. If we do E and O exercise every day, it will help us to follow stretching for whole day. Thank you.